Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of YouTube thumbnail. Off our YouTube thumbnail adventure. First up, click Create a Design and select YouTube Thumbnail. I'm opening my Canva project where I whipped up the stunning thumbnail you just got a sneak peek of. Our mission begins with securing the image of this dapper gentleman. Over in the Upload section, I've got this image featuring our man, crafted with a little help from ChatGPT. We're on a mission to isolate him, so I'm selecting the photo, hitting Edit Photo, and then it's time for some magic grab tool action. See how easy it is to pluck elements from your photos? Now let's banish the background and scale our man to perfection. Next, we're painting our canvas with a splash of golden yellow, thanks to Canva's Elements section. Step 3 is all about giving our man some depth with a shadow, making him pop right off the screen. Here's a little secret. Canva's thumbnail templates are my go-to for adding that professional touch quickly. I'm diving into the template section, selecting my weapon of choice, and deploying it on a new page. A quick text tweak and voila! We're copying and pasting this beauty into our thumbnail masterpiece. We're nearing the grand finale, folks. It's logo time. I'm jazzing up the Canva logo with a neon shadow to really make it sing. And boom! There you have it, my creative comrades. I hope you're as thrilled with this Canva thumbnail tutorial as I am. Craving more Canva goodness? Feast your eyes on the video popping up on your screen right now. If you've yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscription button, smash the like, and show us some love. Your support fuels our creative crusade. And hey, we cherish every comment you drop. Share your thumbnail victories with us and let's celebrate together. Cheers to our next creative adventure.